Yes, now, blessed now. Don't forget the rest now. Des at King of the Pit TV, Instagram at Des Rocksteady, signing in. Morbid Angel. I've had a recommendation from Chris Guerra. Hopefully I've pronounced that right. Chris, thank you for the recommendation. I'm sure it was on the Morbid Angel video I did. He recommends Where the Slime Live. Let's get stuck straight in. Let's see what we're dealing with here, alright? King of the Pit TV. Sounds like a spooky spectre, doesn't it? Woo! Oh, banshee. Sounds like a banshee. That pitch skill. But yo, I need to get some coffee in me. I'm flagging right now, people. All right. The tuning's heavy. What tuning is that? Guitar tuning? Cause that can't be like A standard drop A or something. That'd be ridiculous for a death metal band of the 80s, right? That was nice. That was nice. That. Double kick going crazy. This is gonna be one of them chugfest driving metal tunes in it. It's got like one of them kind of, what's that Cannibal Corpse one? Scourge of Iron or something, the more recent tune. Obviously this came prior, where it's just heavy. Pitch shifter on the vocal. I don't know what effects we got on there. Ooh. I'm a big fan of tunes like this. There was a band called Hang the Bastard, who ended up being like a stoner doom metal band, but initially they were a doom influenced hardcore band, UK hardcore band. And they had a tune where they'd just riff, like tempo riff, and then they'd have a little fill and then same tempo, but the riff would vary. And it'd just be an even groovier riff, and it sounds like that sort of stuff. I like songs like this, right, where we just jam on the same tempo, but we keep the riff moving and grooving. Yeah, it keeps hitting you in the face after every section. Quality. Don't know what I think about the vocal sort of effect though. The riff is crushing. I think he's not... The producer hasn't cared about him as much as he has the guitarists, but that drummer deserves a bit of shine, because them, it's so tight, just the stabs, little breathe, then come back in the riff, and that double kick is brilliant in relation to the mid-pace chug, dun, 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 while the double kick is just tapping away there. That bit's so good, because it's like the slightest harmonic, and then they just drop it on a what is that? It's like a pre-bend, so the string's already bent up in it, and go. I don't know. I want to try work that out. What is that? I think the drummer's the best part of this tune. The drummer is just grooving and moving and just really doing the best job on this track. It also looks like a member of Iron Maiden back in the day. What tuning is it in? Because was this a later record? Was this from the 90s or even the 2000s? Because if this was the 80s, I find it very hard to believe they're tuned as low as they are. Because I don't know anyone in the 80s what was tuning this fucking low, man. I swear to you, this is like A standard or something. This is so heavy. Cool video. Gruesome, horrible. Cool video, man. Who's this guy? Twisted Firestarter. Guy from Prodigy. Ooh, tempo change. Double time. Listen to that kick drum. See how serious this guy looks? He called Trey, innit? You see how he's, look at this guy, he's mesmerised by the shred. Yeah, that's what he call a face shredding, you know what I mean? He's just bleeding from his mouth because of the shred, man. Composed. Accurate. I didn't expect it to end there. Okay, at the very least, yeah, I'm going to give points for the guitar solo fade out. That was nice. Because the track was done. I had heard what I needed to hear. I didn't need any more, yeah? That's a good time for me, 4 minutes, alright? I don't tend to listen to music which is past 3 minutes long, you know what I mean? So to have the guitar solo fade out rather than have some just shred central bloody Goliath of a guitar wank, it was good that it ended where it did. I don't think I've reacted to one video where that's been the case yet, where they've had a serious solo and they've faded it out, especially as prompt as that. They didn't drag it. That was nice. I like that. The riff was heavy. I think the whole thing's heavy, innit? Really heavy. The riffs were good. Where the Slime Live was referenced in the song plenty of times. The lyrics were audible to a degree, okay? The vocal effect matched the general theme and the soundscape of like just the guitars and stuff. It sounded morbid, such as the name Morbid Angel. It sounded morbid. It sounded gruesome. It sounded like a disgusting bog of sound. It worked. Would I have preferred them on or off? Who knows? Alright, because you know, it's not very organic, is it? It's not very organic, but that was cool. Drummer stole it. The drummer was grooving throughout the entire thing. When the double kick was coming in and out, that was brilliant. So I want to thank Chris for the recommendation. Morbid Angel, Where the Slime Live. Any further death metal tunes you want me to check out, even if it's another Morbid Angel tune, let me know. I'm signing out, people. Des, at Des Rocksteady, King of the Pit TV, one love.